Now that I have a blank WordPress install on the web, and I've exported all the content from WP Content on my local installation into the new site, it's time to export the database from the original site so I can work with it. I'm going to do this through phpMyAdmin. And depending on how you're hosting your site locally on your computer or where you're hosting your original site on the web, you need to figure out how to get to phpAdmin because it varies depending on the application you're using and also on the hosting provider you're using. If you are on localhost, it's usually a matter of going to your address bar and going to localhost/phpMyAdmin. Sometimes you have to capitalize it. In that case, the M and the A are capitalized. But on my server, I need to have it all lowercase. Inside phpMyAdmin, you go to Databases. You find the database that's running your current WordPress site. In my case, that one is called SWAT. And once you can see that this is a WordPress database, and you can notice it because it has user meta, terms, posts, post meta, and so on as tables, you need to export this database, and you have to do it in a specific way. First step, click on Export, then select Custom. Make sure that all your database tables are selected. Scroll down and make sure it's checked as Save Output to a File. You need to make sure the compression is set to None and that the format is SQL. You can scroll past the format-specific options. And when you get to Object Creation options, you have to check Add Drop Table and uncheck Add Create Procedure. When that is configured, you can scroll to the bottom and click Go. And phpMyAdmin will now create a .sql file that's basically a dump or a copy of your entire database. Now that you have the file, I recommend you show it in a folder, then create a new folder somewhere on your computer. So I'm going to go to my documents, and I'll create a new folder here called Backup. And I'm going to place my backup in this new folder. So I'll pull it over. And then immediately, I'm going to make a copy. So I'll copy it and paste it and call this one SWAT_copy. Moving forward, I'm now only going to work with the copy, never the original.